Adding 3 or more fractions. To add fractions, the fractions first need to have a common denominator. To find the common denominator, you need to work out the lowest common multiple of the starting denominators. The lowest common multiple of 4, 3 and 2 is 12. So 12 is our common denominator. We now need to find equivalent fractions to our starting 3 with a denominator of 12. We multiplied 4 by 3 to get 12. So we now need to do the same thing with the numerator 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3/4 is equivalent to 9/12. For our second fraction, we have multiplied the denominator of 3 by 4 to get 12. We now need to multiply the numerator by 4. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1/3 is equivalent to 4/12. For the third fraction, we have multiplied 2 by 6 to get 12. We now multiply the numerator by 6 as well. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1/2 is equivalent to 6/12. We now have 3 fractions that are equivalent to the original 3 but share a common denominator. To add these fractions, we simply add the numerators. 9 plus 4 equals 13. 13 plus 6 equals 19. The denominator stays at 12. 19 over 12 is an improper fraction. We now need to change this to a mixed number. How many 12s are there in 19? 12 goes into 19 once, so 1 is the integer part of our mixed number. 7 is the remainder, which becomes the numerator, and the denominator remains 12. 3/4 plus 1/3 plus 1/2 equals 1 and 7/12.